Good morning, students. Welcome back. Let me see the lesson. His first flight. Here we are in the continuation of the lesson, isn't it? Here, the mother bird. In the last class, I have told you that the mother bird was coming with a piece of fish and near to the young seagull. What the young seagull was doing? It was very happy. The young seagull was very happy when the mother bird came with the food. And here, how it was showing its happiness. Here it was leaning out eagerly and tapping the feet on the rock. And here, and trying to get nearer to her as she flew across to the young seagull. When the mother was coming across to her, she was waiting. Sorry, the young seagull was waiting for that. Let me see what it was happening. But when she was just opposite to him, here, when she was just opposite to him, the mother bird was coming just opposite to the young seagull, abreast of the ledge. Here that was opposite to the ledge. She halted, her legs hanging limp. She halted. What she was doing? The mother bird was halt. She stopped that in that place. Opposite mother, here the mother bird was coming near to the young seagull, but it was just keeping some distance. The mother bird was keeping some distance from the young seagull. And here her legs hanging limp, her legs, the mother bird legs were hanging limp, and her wings are motionless. Her wings are motionless. The piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of the young seagull. So the young seagull was near to the mother bird. The mother bird was keeping the food in her beak, and it was near to the young seagull, but the young seagull was not able to eat from the mother bird. Okay, it was not able to reach to the mother bird. What happened next? He waited a moment in surprise. Here the young seagull was in surprise. വളരെ അത്ഭുതമായിട്ട് ഇത്രയും ദൂരത്തു നിന്ന് ഫുഡായിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് എൻ്റെ ബീക്കിലേക്ക് വന്ന് വെക്കാതെ എന്താ ഇത്രയും ദൂരെ നിൽക്കുന്നത് എന്ന് അത്ഭുതപ്പെട്ടു. Here the young seagull waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer. So the young seagull was wondering, അത്ഭുതപ്പെടുകയാണ്. The young seagull was wondering why the mother hadn't come near to me. And then maddened by hunger. But the young seagull was maddened by hunger. വിശപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് കണ്ണു കാണുന്നില്ല, ഭ്രാന്ത് പോലെ ആയിരിക്കുന്നു. Who? The young seagull. So what it was doing? He dived at the fish. Okay, the young seagull was dived at the fish from the mother's beak. മദറിൻ്റെ ബീക്കിൻ്റെ എന്താണ് ഡൈവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ വായിലേക്ക് അതെന്താണ് കൊത്താൻ അത് ശ്രമിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. Okay, so the young seagull was dived. The young seagull dived at the mother bird to pick the fish from the beak. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into space. With a loud scream, പേടിച്ചു. The young seagull വളരെയധികം പേടിച്ചിട്ട് അലറുന്ന ഒരു സൗണ്ട്, പേടിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സൗണ്ടാണ് കേൾക്കുന്നത്. സ്ക്രീമിങ്. ദ യങ് സീഗൾ വാസ് സ്ക്രീംഡ്. He fell outwards and downwards into space. What the young seagull was doing? The young seagull fell outwards. Okay, it fell, വീണു. Outwards and the downwards into space. ഇത്രയും ഇങ്ങനെ സ്പേസ് ഇങ്ങനെ പരന്ന് കിടക്കുന്ന ആ സ്പേസിലേക്ക് എന്താണ് താഴോട്ട് മുകളിലോട്ട് എന്തൊക്കെയായിട്ട് എന്താണ് വീണ് നോക്കുകയാണ്. He fell outwards and downwards into space. It started to fall into the space. Here, his mother had swooped upwards. So, what the mother bird was doing? The mother birds was swooped upwards. It tried to move upwards. Okay, when it fell, when the young seagull fell downwards, here the mother bird was swooped upwards. Okay, it tried to move upwards. As he passed beneath her, mother birdനേക്കാളും താഴോട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നത്. Young seagull, what the young seagull was happening to the young seagull? What happened to the young seagull? The young seagull was falling downwards, that is beyond the mother bird. Here, as he passed beneath her, mother bird നേക്കാളും താഴോട്ടാണ് പോകുന്നത്. He heard the swish of her wings. അപ്പോൾ അവന് കേൾക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? വിങ്സിൻ്റെ എന്താണ്? മൂവിങ് സൗണ്ട്. The sound, that is the flap of the wings. Okay, the sound of the wings. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് വിങ്സ് ഇങ്ങനെ പാറുന്ന സമയത്ത് ആ വിങ്സിൻ്റെ ആ സൗണ്ട് ആർക്ക് കേൾക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നു? ഇവിടെ യങ് സീഗൾ. Here, he heard the swish of her wings. Then a monstrous terror seized him, and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a moment. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. He then flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Then a monstrous terror seized him. ഒരു പേടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് ഉണ്ടായത് അല്ലേ? Here the young seagull was very afraid to fly. It has no courage. And so when the mother came with the food, he was maddened with hunger and it was tried to pick the fish from the mother beak. At that time, the young seagull fell. And who is helping at that time? The mother bird swooped upwards. Then a monstrous terror seized him. Here, monstrous here meaning frightening. പേടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സംഭവമാണ് ഉണ്ടായത്. മോൺസ്ട്രസ് ഹിയർ മീനിങ് ഫ്രൈറ്റനിങ്. ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് ഹേർട്ട് സ്റ്റുഡ് സ്റ്റിൽ. അവൻ്റെ ഹേർട്ട് എന്താണ്? നിശബ്ദമായി, നിശ്ചലമായി. He could hear nothing. The young seagull could hear nothing. ഒന്നും തന്നെ യങ് സീഗളിന് കേൾക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നില്ല. But it lasted a moment. എന്നാൽ അതൊരു നിമിഷത്തിന് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ. Okay, here that the frightening time or the monstrous terror that happened for a moment. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. The next moment, അടുത്ത നിമിഷം എന്തുണ്ടായി? He felt his wings spread outwards. അവൻ ചിറകുകൾ എന്താണ്? പരത്തി നിർത്തുന്നു. Okay, the wind, he felt his wings spread outwards. Here the wings, it started to spread the wings. Here the wind rushed against his breast feathers. The wind that rushed against his breast feathers. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ചിറകുകളൊക്കെ വിരിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കാറ്റ് എവിടേക്കാണ് വന്ന് തട്ടുന്നത്? To the breast. Okay, here the wind was that rushed to the breast of the young seagull. He could, and then under his stomach and against the wings, and after that to the stomach and to the wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He could feel the tips of the wings that cutting through the air. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ വിങ്സ് എന്താണ്? എയർ കൂടെ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്ന ആ ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ് ആർക്ക് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു? യങ് സീഗൽ. Okay, here he could feel the tips of the wings that cutting through the air. At first it started to spread out the wings. After that the air, the wind that rushed against the breast and to the stomach and to the wings. Here now he could feel that the wings are cutting through the air. Okay, the wings are that cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. Now it was able to balance. Okay, now the young seagull was able to balance it. So he was not falling headlong now. He was soaring gradually. Here soaring here meaning moving upwards. Okay, soaring here meaning moving upwards. Here soaring gradually, മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ മുകളിലേക്ക് പറന്ന് ഉയരാൻ തുടങ്ങി. Here gradually downwards and outwards. He was no longer afraid. Now the young seagull was not afraid. Okay, now the young seagull was not afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. എന്നാൽ ഇതൊക്കെ സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവന് ചെറിയൊരു തലകറക്കം പോലെ തോന്നി. Okay, here the young seagull felt a little dizzy. Okay, dizzy here meaning എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താർത്ഥം? ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു തലകറക്കം തോന്നിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards. Then after that what it was doing? It flapped the wings. അതിൻ്റെ ചിറക് അത് ഫ്ലാപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് and it was soaring upwards. Okay, so here what was happening? Here the young seagull was coming near to the mother bird to get the food from the mother. At that time the mother was standing at one end of the that is the one end and kept a distance from the young seagull. At that time the young seagull tried to pick the fish from the mother bird, and when it do that it fell downwards. Okay, at that time the mother bird that swooped upwards. Okay, the mother bird that swooped upwards at that time. And here that time there was a monstrous terror. Here ഒരു പേടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സംഭവമായിട്ടാണ് അതിന് തോന്നിയത്. And the herd that was still. Okay, that was still. അതിൻ്റെ ഹേർട്ട് ഒരു നിമിഷം നിശ്ചലമായി, അതിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഒരു നിമിഷം നിന്നുപോയി. Here and that was only for a moment. എന്നാൽ ആ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെയും ഒരു മൊമെൻ്റാണ്, ഒരു നിമിഷമാണ്. Okay, that was ഒരു നിമിഷം മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിട്ടുള്ളൂ. Here the next moment, അടുത്ത മൊമെൻ്റ് തന്നെ അത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങി? It started to spread the wings. It started to spread the wings, and then here when it spread the wings, it could, what it was doing? The wind was that rushed against, the wind that rushed against the breast and then stomach. At that time it felt that the wings are cutting through the air. Okay, the wings are cutting through the air, and when it do that these things, it felt a little dizzy. Okay, it felt a little dizzy, and afterwards it was thinking that now I am able to fly. Okay, let me stop the class here. Thank you, students.